Good morning YouTube. I'm gonna do a knife review, and this time I think I'm gonna have success with it, because you know I'm not very good at that. Anyway, my girlfriend here, Lily, gonna show you a little bit of not so usual Victorinox, and the name is Equestrian, and that Victorinox have a hoof. Vad heter det? Hoof cratch. And now Lily gonna cratch Fuji here, and I have never seen a video like this on YouTube. Matter of fact, I have never seen a Equestrian on YouTube, but I guess you can find that video. But now we're gonna cratch some hoops. Okay. And now I think Fuji think that red sack is a carrot. And Dolly is... Vill du hämta hunden? Ja. Hon är jätteorolig. Mm. Show him the tool. Show the tool to the camera. It's just like that. Does it work well? Should you take the other feet? Hoof.
Kom på den här sidan. Kom på andra sidan.
I'm going to show you the tools later on the knife.
Ja.
Okay, here is that blade, and here you have an emblem of a horse. And Lily say, because she is very good with horses and have handled horses all her life, and she said that this tool is better than a standard hoof cratch, because you get a good grip. And we have some more tools here, the blade and screwdriver combined with can opener, and we got that saw, corkscrew, toothpick, tweezers, and that's all. And I'm gonna compare in size to a more famous Victorinox. And that's an outrider. This is a one, what you say, segment more, that because this have that scissor and this have not. When Lily got the knife, she was a little bit disappointed, because she thought it was having scissor too, but this have not. So that was that Victorinox. I had really hard time to pronounce the name. Equestrian. I always say equestrian. Equestrian is English for ryttare. Like a modern name for a cowboy. Is that true? But show the view of all the horses. We have Dolly with us, and she is a little bit confused.
And this is my favorite horse that I show you when I cratch the hoofs. Her name is Fuji. And she's a really nice mare. Really kind mare. A really beauty. It's Magnus' favorite horse too.
Because that horse always bites me. Go to Falcon.
I will show you the horse that always is fighting with Magnus. Woo! Crazy! Crazy horse. Boop, boop, boop. Nice girl. Oh, this is the crazy dude that doesn't like Magnus. It's a boy. Both of the horses is 8 years old, but he is a little bit childish.
Very.
But he's nice when he gets carrots.
Electrical in here.
And now is he running off. The horses is always scared for the electrical thing here. Fence. That's why he just run away.
Okay, now it's time for us to go out in the woods, walking and talking and eating some food. So, see you soon again.